Application of liquid chillers in data centers. Liquid-cooled data centers refer to data centers and liquid-cooled servers that use liquid cooling technology. Compared to traditional air-cooled servers, liquid-cooled servers have different cooling methods. Liquid cooling refers to the technology of using liquid instead of air as a refrigerant to exchange heat for heating components and remove heat. The data center liquid chiller is a modular refrigeration solution installed on both sides of the cabinet. The chilled water from the data center's liquid chiller is sent to the cabinet for cooling through pipelines, and the hot air generated by IT equipment will be circulated through refrigeration units to achieve the purpose of cooling. IT ensures that the hot air generated by IT equipment does not return from the air inlet to the IT equipment. The data center liquid chiller, which controls the heat source, optimizes refrigeration performance and can also reduce total cost of ownership, TCO, by timely adjusting and improving operational efficiency. Multiple algorithms, PID, feed-forward PID, and model-free self-built tree algorithm, are applied in the LIA data center liquid chiller to achieve fast system response and high control accuracy.